Parenting is the most demanding job in the world. Not because of any single task. Because of the relentless combination of all of them simultaneously. School runs. Meal planning. Homework help. Appointment scheduling. Activity coordination. Permission slips. Birthday party organization. Grocery lists. Bedtime routines. And somehow, somewhere in between all of that, trying to maintain a career, a relationship, and a version of yourself that existed before children arrived. Most productivity content ignores parents completely. It assumes you have uninterrupted deep work sessions and flexible mornings. Parents do not have those luxuries. Today I am sharing the specific AI systems that save busy parents the most time every single week, tested and practical, for the actual reality of family life. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The meal planning system, save 2 hours every week. The average family spends between 1 and 2 hours per week deciding what to eat, checking what ingredients they have, writing shopping lists, and then realizing midweek they forgot something essential. Ask Claude to build you a complete weekly meal planning system in one session. Give Claude your family size, any dietary requirements or preferences, the meals your family actually enjoys eating, your typical weekly budget, and how much time you realistically have for cooking on different days of the week. Claude produces a complete 7-day meal plan with every meal planned, every ingredient listed, and the shopping list already organized by category: produce, dairy, meat, pantry items, so your supermarket trip runs in order rather than back and forth across the store. Save this as a reusable template in Notion. Each week you refresh it with Claude in under 5 minutes by telling it what you already have and what needs changing. The 2 hours of weekly meal decision-making collapses to 5 minutes. The Homework Help System, save 1 hour every night. Homework help is one of the most time-consuming parenting tasks, particularly when the subject matter is one you have not thought about since you were a student yourself. Claude handles homework help across every subject and every age group. Mathematics, science, history, English, language learning. For any topic your child is working on, Claude explains it clearly and patiently at exactly the right level for the age you specify. Paste the homework question into Claude and ask it to explain the concept in a way a child of your child's age would understand. The homework gets done. Your child understands it. You saved an hour. The Family Admin System, save 3 hours every week emails to teachers. Permission slips. Appointment bookings. Activity registrations. Thank you notes. All of this writing is tedious, repetitive, and time-consuming, and all of it can be handled by Claude in minutes. Create a simple prompt template in Notion for your most common family admin tasks. Each template takes 30 seconds to fill in with specific details and 30 seconds for Claude to write the full response. Family admin that used to consume a full evening now takes 20 minutes once per week. The Activity and Schedule Coordination System, save 2 hours every week. Coordinating the schedules of multiple children across multiple activities is a logistical challenge that consumes enormous mental energy even when it does not consume enormous time. Ask Claude to help you build a complete weekly family schedule template in Notion. Every recurring activity for every family member. School pickup times. Sports practice. Music lessons. Playdates. Parent commitments. Once the template exists, ask Claude to help you solve any scheduling conflicts that arise each week. Give it the specific conflict and ask it to suggest the most practical resolution given everyone's priorities and commitments. Claude also helps you plan ahead for school holiday periods. Give it your upcoming holiday dates, your work commitments during that period, and your budget for activities. Ask for a complete holiday plan with activity suggestions, timing, and any preparation needed in advance. The mental load of family scheduling reduces dramatically when AI handles the problem solving and you handle the decisions. The Parenting Research System. Save 2 hours per week. Every parent faces situations where they need information fast. What is this rash and should I be worried? How do I handle this specific behavior at this age? What are the best books for a child going through this transition? Is this symptom normal? Before AI, this meant searching multiple websites, reading contradictory advice, and spending an hour trying to synthesize it into something actionable. Ask Claude directly. It explains childhood development, common health questions, behavioral guidance, and educational support clearly and specifically. For any health concern, Claude provides clear initial information and always recommends consulting a doctor for anything medical. For parenting challenges, Claude draws on established child psychology and developmental guidance to give you practical, age-appropriate strategies. The research that used to take an hour now takes 5 minutes. The decisions get made faster and with better information. Your total weekly time-saving meal planning, 2 hours saved per week. Homework help, 1 hour saved per night, up to 5 hours per week. Family admin, 3 hours saved per week. Schedule coordination, 2 hours saved per week. Parenting research, 2 hours saved per week. That is up to 14 hours per week returned to you. Hours that go back into the things that actually matter: time with your children, time with your partner, time for yourself. AI does not make parenting easier in the ways that actually count. But it removes enough of the administrative and cognitive burden that you arrive at the moments that matter with more energy and more presence than before. Which of these 5 systems would save you the most time this week? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you practical AI systems built for real family life, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.